All right, quick update on the Kandi 250 go-kart. I got the seats in. I'm really happy with the way these turned out. I think they look really good in this cart. These seats do slide back and forth with the lever down on each side there, as well. They also lean forward and back, so which is kind of nice. Kind of what I did, like I said, built these square tubing brackets to fit in here. So originally the ad stated, I think they're like 13.5 inches wide, which would have been where these two bolts are, which would have fit right into this frame. Fortunately, these are like 15 is what's actually on the seats once I got it. So 15.5 actually I think is what it comes out to. So you can see kind of that. I think it's roughly about 2 inches. So what I ended up doing here is building square tubing, drilling all the holes, pre-drilling that. And then to get these to fit, I actually mounted the square tubing into the cart and then attached the slide rails, tightened them down, pulled the square tubing back off, and then attached it to the bottom of the seat. Really struggled getting these when I tried attaching everything to the seat and then would bring it over and try to set this on the frame, getting the holes all to line up. I'd get like 3 out of the 4 and one would just be a touch off. So ended up working out doing it that way. So again, really like these seats. I would definitely buy them again. Wish the brackets would have, mounted right in, but still wasn't that bad. It's a pretty simple fix. I'll post a link to these seats. I actually got these off eBay. They're somewhere around $225, give or take. But yeah, really happy with the way they turned out. They're darn near identical to the originals. Pretty much the exact same seat, but yeah, huge improvement. Like I said, these used to be red. I mean, you see where the seat belts had covered up, so you can definitely tell they've sat out in the sun for a long time. But again, happy with the way these turned out. Things I've got left on this, I've still got to build a battery box. Thinking now I'm going to put it right here and just bolt it into the frame up here and strap it down. I think if I get everything tight, it shouldn't be a problem there. So it's kind of out of the way and easy to get to if I need to put a charger on or anything like that. So kind of the plan is put it there. Another thing is I want to get mud or fenders back on it because this thing slings mud everywhere. And as you can kind of tell, there's chunks. There was a lot more on it, but front and rear, because again it throws it all over the place. So, and I think that's probably it for now. Clean up the steering wheel. I'd like to get a new one. This one's seen better days, but it functions. So for now, I'll probably leave it. But would like to get a new steering wheel and then maybe do something different with the actual dash that's in it, just to kind of clean it up since I'm not using a lot of that stuff, and possibly lights at some point. But for now, I think like I said, get the battery box built, probably fenders, and just enjoy it. Quick update on this cart. Got the parts ordered, ended up ordering a carburetor, a boot, air filter, the ignition, and a coil for it. Once pulling this carb, I started to rebuild it and put it all back on. I cannot get the choke out of it. It will not move. And even the internals down in the bowl, it is rough. Like I said, I cleaned it up. It probably honestly would work the way it is outside of the choke being stuck, but I just figured it's a lot simpler to just get a new one and start fresh. So this car was actually like a VM30-234 or something along those lines. I can't remember the exact number. And I'm actually going to replace it with a VM30-83. Both are Makunis. So we'll see how that works. I know I'll have to do some changes with the jetting and whatnot, but I think I've got the actual stock jetting sizes that were in this. So I think I can just order those jets, put them in that carb, and start there and kind of just see how it all runs. But can't get this exact carb anymore. So, but yeah, I'll kind of keep, once I get all that stuff in, I'll kind of give an update if that works. Maybe somebody else out there has this motor and they're looking for a carb or something for it. So we'll see how that all comes together. And yeah, kind of are really excited to get this thing put together. I think it's going to be cool. Other than that, there is another project coming up back on the motorcycles. It's not this Sportster, but got a buddy who has an 01 883 that we're getting ready to do some work on. So here in the next couple weeks, there will be a video hopefully of it, and yeah, super excited about what we're going to do with it. So again, anybody has any questions on anything here, feel free to ask. Like I said, I'll try to link the seats and below in this video, and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.